In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Twitch error code 3000. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this occurs when the desktop web browser fails to decode or render the incoming live video stream, and it's typically triggered by a conflict within your browser's HTML5 player layout, fragmented cookies, or a frozen hardware graphics acceleration lane. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your Google Chrome, and then tap the three little dots in the top right, and then go over to settings, then go over to system, and then turn on hardware acceleration. And basically it's going to relaunch and everything. And what I could also do is go over to twitch.tv. So I'll just go ahead and type it in now, and it's going to look something like this. And then on the left, I'm going to see this like little padlock icon, or go ahead and click on that. Right now the connection is secure, but I want to go over to site settings. Now look at the permissions, and I'm going to see delete data or clear data. So go ahead and do that. And then it's going to say all of this stuff. You're going to be signed out. Any offline data will be deleted. Data that affects ad personalization is deleted. Delete it, then just relog into your Twitch and everything should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.